now that we have come to the conclusion of this course, I am sure you are breathing a sigh of relief. This was indeed a challenging course from the perspective of learning a lot of new concepts. Much more challenging than the Bootstrap course. Congratulations, you have survived and you have proved that you are capable of getting to this point. And you certainly deserve a lot of praise for that. Let's summarize what we have completed in this course and then see what lies ahead. So in the first full stack web development landscape, we are still on the front end side. In this course, we have completed AngularJS. We looked at AngularJS in a lot more detail. Now, this would keep us in good stead for the next courses that are going to come up. JavaScript is going to remain with you all the way to the end. So in this course, we got a good taste of AngularJS and also learned new web tools, Grunt, Gulp, Yo, and Yeoman. Now, when we return to this picture that I showed you at the beginning of the course, it all starts making a lot more sense to you. You can see how your browser view is constructed using templates, controllers, filters with the scope, and templates using directives. And you also see how the single page application is configured with routes that enable you to navigate to different parts of your single page application. You also see how your controllers are able to draw in data using the factories or service or providers from the server. So the communication with the server side is completely handed over to the factory service or provider, and the controller calls upon the factory service or provider when needed in order to do the communication with the server side. So separation of concerns has become more easier. So the model part is all slowly being pushed out. The controller is leveraging the model and then enabling you to render the view using the templates and the scope. So hopefully now all the pieces that you have examined in this course have come together into a comprehensive view of all parts of AngularJS. We are still going to stay with AngularJS in the next course, where we will look at the Ionic framework. Moving on to the next course, where we are going to look at multi-platform mobile app development using web technologies, we're going to leverage the Ionic framework for this purpose. Ionic framework is itself built using AngularJS as the underlying platform. Ionic provides its own CSS and styling techniques, which matched up with AngularJS provides development of hybrid mobile applications a nice platform. Ionic uses Cordova as the wrapper around it in order to interact with the native mobile platform. So we will explore a lot more of these in the next course. So whatever you have learned in AngularJS in this course is going to keep you in good stead for the next course. So don't forget any of the concepts and techniques and tools that we have learned in this course. They are all going to be leveraged in the next course. So we may also revisit some more Angular features in the next course, where we might encounter opportunities to learn a few more details about Angular. Although exhausting, I hope you still did have fun in this course. Let's go on to the next course to look at multi-platform mobile application development.